Hey savvy earners, welcome back to your guide to making money in the digital world. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible apps that let you earn cash without relying on swag bucks. Before we get started, make sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell. Now let's explore these money-making apps. First up, we have Inbox Dollars offering a unique way to make money. Diverse earning methods. From watching videos to reading emails and taking surveys, Inbox Dollars provides multiple avenues for earning. Cash rewards. Unlike point systems, Inbox Dollars pays you in real cash, and you even get a $5 bonus just for signing up. User-friendly interface. Navigate through the app effortlessly and start earning with ease. Next on our list is HoneyGain, an app that lets you earn through a different approach. Passive income. HoneyGain allows you to monetize your unused internet bandwidth, turning it into a source of passive income. Cross-platform availability. Available on both Android and iOS, HoneyGain makes earning easy and accessible. Secure and safe. Your data remains secure while you earn without any active effort. Now let's talk about Acorns, a unique app that combines earning and investing. Invest spare change. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Automated investing. It's an excellent hands-off approach for those looking to grow their money effortlessly. Available on both platforms, manage your investments seamlessly on both Android and iOS. Moving on to Feature Points, an app that rewards you for trying out new apps and more. App Exploration. Earn points by downloading and trying out new apps, taking surveys and completing other simple tasks. Rewards. Variety. Redeem your points for PayPal cash, gift cards, or even physical rewards. User-friendly design. Navigate through the app easily and discover new ways to earn. Last but not least, we have Rakuten, an app that lets you earn cash back while you shop. Cashback rewards. Shop through Rakuten at your favorite stores and earn cash back on your purchases. Variety of retailers. Rakuten partners with a wide range of retailers, giving you plenty of options to earn. Simple to use. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to turn your shopping into extra cash. There you have it, 5 fantastic apps to make money without relying on swag bucks. If you've tried any of these or have other favorites, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy earning!